In this video, let me show you how to find the period of your ride. So this is my data. Now, this is for the Ferris wheel, and this will work for any of the rides. Notice how the G-force varies up and down. Well, from here to here is one cycle. That's one period right there, okay? And we could just go from like, what is this guy, right? You know, we could get that period, and then we could figure out what that time, and we could figure out this time here. But it's a whole lot better to go from one side of this thing to the other side and then divide by how many periods that is. So look at that one. That one is 10.415, 10.415, and that's that first one, right? So I'm just going to type that in there. I'm sure there's a way to get like that number that it pops up, right? So that's 10.415 seconds. All right, let me just show you that again. So I put that over here, and there it is. Okay, so just mouse over it like that, and that first number that you see right there, if I move my mouse, it'll disappear, so I can't point to it. The bottom one is the acceleration, but then the top one is the time. So 10.415, which makes sense. It looks like that time. Now we're going to go forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to go 6 cycles forward, right? So that was this side here, right? Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cycles later and grab that one. And that's 107.834. And that's approximate, right? Okay. And then what you want to do is just subtract those two. So and you don't have to, I'm just, I'm doing the, all I've got is this spreadsheet here that you can see. So I'm just going to say this guy is equal to that cell minus this cell. So if you subtract those two numbers, you get 97.419. And then notice that we did from here to here. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cycles. So it's 97 seconds from this side to this side, but that's 6 cycles. So I'm going to say equals this guy divided by 6. And that's the period right there. Okay. Okay, that's the period that I derive from my data. And that's how you do it. If you've got repeating cycles like that, it's really the best to go from the first one that you've got to the last one you've got, and then figure out how many cycles that is and divide by that many cycles, okay? And to get those numbers again, just select the graph, mouse over the graph, and it'll give you the X and the Y, okay? All right.